Here at Seary Physiotherapy Clinic, we provide a thorough assessment of your problem, whether it be backache, neck-ache or knee problems. We thoroughly assess and look at things that you as a whole body, not just your knee. We provide then very much a hands-on approach to treatment and then provide a set of home exercises to help you alleviate the problems and get back to fitness. Sessions tend to be 30 minutes. If you do have an appointment, the first one, please make sure you arrive 5 minutes early so you can fill in appropriate forms and things like that. Dress appropriately, whether it be shorts, things like that, if you're looking at your legs, just so we can look at you properly. Most important things, we assess and treat you within that 30 minutes. And it varies. Sometimes we just need a one-off appointment. Sometimes we can review you again in a week. Or some people, if they've got acute back pain, we may see you daily for a couple of days. Depends really on what the problem is. The most important thing is to assess the problem, get that right, and then we go from there.